Powerful internet income generators. Have you ever wondered what the internet is and how it could be a powerful income generator? Do you often wonder if affiliate marketing is right for you? Have you found yourself frequently thinking about becoming an affiliate genius with rightful resources? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about powerful internet income generators. Now let's get into it. The internet is a powerful income generator, and of those income sources out there, one of the most powerful internet income solutions is free-to-affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are typically money-making programs that individuals can join for free and earn a substantial income from. I know, that doesn't make sense. How can you join a program for free yet earn money? The basic premise is simple, while many free affiliate programs vary. Some do require an upgrade purchase while others do not, allowing you to make a profit for every person you bring into the program that chooses to upgrade. Is affiliate marketing right for you? Regardless of the program venture, it is necessary to meet certain requirements before joining the internet marketing revolution. The basic requirements are fairly simple. Be willing to risk at least a small amount of money on advertising, be willing to take someone else's advice, and of course, be willing to be at least mildly patient. Dynasties are not built overnight, no matter how hard the email in your junk box is trying to convince you otherwise. Pretty simple? Next in line is understanding how affiliate programs work. Their basic concept is quite similar to that of all internet network marketing plans. You introduce someone who introduces someone else, and eventually you build what's known as a downline. Downlines today is also referred to as matrices, in order to avoid the negative associations sometimes aligned with network marketing. However, the educated network marketer is going to understand the difference between a legitimate marketing plan and a pyramid scheme. There is a huge difference. Affiliate network marketing, and in particular free affiliate network marketing, is based on the concept that you can try out the program first without risking your money, and you can invite others to do the same as well. It is quite possible to build a downline with a free affiliate network marketing plan without having to join the program first and then upgrade in order to qualify for earned sales on your downline's upgrades as well. Again, pretty simple. It's like test driving the car for a while before you decide to either pay for it or return it. Affiliate genius. This is really exciting stuff when you think about it. Not only do you get to try out the free affiliate program for free, so does everyone that you introduce to the program. Considering the fact that network marketing of any kind is not the right avenue for some people, it allows the upline to determine where to place their efforts when working with their downline. Everybody has a solid understanding before the subject of shelling out any money ever rises, and often success is easier to attain because of that understanding. All network marketing programs require education as you proceed, and affiliate network marketing programs are in fact no different. It is imperative that an individual understands their program as well as marketing resources as they begin their endeavor into the realm of internet marketing. Often the educational resources are quite biased and deliver unrealistic promises that can be met without first chunking down large sums of money. So where does one turn to find this much-needed education? Luckily, there is a resource out there targeted specifically at free affiliate internet marketing programs that can help to answer all the typically unanswered questions. Affiliate Pit has the answers to the questions you didn't even know you had. Affiliate network marketing resources. It's not easy to swim out in a virtual sea of sharks when you're not even sure which direction to take to find the shoreline. Independent marketing resources are absolutely the lifeboat that is desperately needed in the realm of this endless sea. Please take note of the words independent and unbiased. Why are these words so important? Because they are not simply paid to post websites. Affiliate Pit is an independent resource for internet network marketers of affiliate programs to reasonably educate regardless of the affiliate program. They are not teaching you how to market their program and make money for them. They are offering you a wide variety of topics that you need to know without insisting you go off and promote their company. Logic tells us this is a much more reliable source than the program that offers you a wonderful network marketing education when you join their program and market their websites. Free affiliate programs are popping up all over the internet. Critics say this will ultimately be the death of them. However, most marketers who actually make a handsome living from internet marketing vehemently disagree. The onset of the free affiliate program has allowed people to learn without burning, so to speak. The learning curve is much shorter, and of course, the resources saved in joining a free program are then translated into advertising dollars, making the program more successful overall. Each free affiliate program offers a wide range of compensation, so again, find out the information first. Some offer as low as 5%, while others skyrocket commissions up to 50%. Some offer a low commission for free members and a much higher commission for upgraded members. It is very important to understand the affiliate program in question when doing your due diligence. With so many affiliate programs swirling out there in cyberspace, let's not forget that not all of them swirl forever. Programs do close down occasionally, and that leaves all of the industrious affiliates high and dry. Once again, Affiliate Pick covers this topic well and offers advice on finding programs that project longevity and real income potential. After all, we started this in order to make some money, not spend years researching various programs. Successful affiliate programs combine a quality product, a high-integrity program, and actual real-life support to their members. To discover where these programs exist may take a little effort, but the payoff is well worth the research in the beginning. Affiliate Pit has complied more than simply lists and links to contributing affiliate programs. Their contributors are actual marketers who have done research of their own and are simply willing to share their findings with the rest of us. The value offered in one side is tremendous, and the best part is it's all available at the click of the mouse. Work-at-home programs and successful free affiliate programs can be difficult to come by. The basic truth is that anyone with just a little knowledge can slap together a website and call themselves an affiliate program. Luckily, we don't have to be swimming out there in the cyberspace ocean alone any longer. With the web-based knowledge of Affiliate Pit knowledgeable contributors, we all have a shot at becoming successful and prosperous in the affiliate program surge. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about powerful internet income generators. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.